Great choice. Technivorm Moccamaster 59163 coffee maker. Moccamaster KBG model features a glass carafe and an automatic drip stop brew basket that stops the flow of coffee if the carafe is pulled away. No more coffee spills. The KBG brews a full 40 ounces pot of coffee in 6 minutes. Coffee is then held on the unique hot plate, engineered with a separate, independent element that rolls heat into the coffee to ensure an even taste from the first cup to the last drop. The hot plate has 2 settings, giving you the choice to hold your coffee between 175 degrees and 185 degrees F, while never burning your coffee. After 100 minutes, the hot plate will automatically engineered with a separate, independent element that rolls heat into the coffee to ensure an even taste from the first cup to the last drop. The hot plate 59,100 with a choice of brew coffee made between 1 and 85 degree last carafe and an automatic 5-degree brew basket while never burning your coffee. After 100 more coffees, the hot plate will automatically control Moccamaster coffee oil handmade in the Netherlands. The coffee is then held on the brew hot plate in 5 years.